Hey everybody, just post-workout message this morning. First of all, did you watch the price yesterday? And if you did, I would like a challenge to you. Did you watch my broadcast that I did on Bitcoin thinking versus fiat thinking? I got a couple of options for you. You can either go to the live masterclass that I did and get the long form content and do a complete immersion, or you can go to the short form content where I discuss the concept of Bitcoin thinking and fiat thinking on this channel in earlier videos. But here's my question to you. Quick one today. When the price went up to almost $69,000, did you drive yourself into fiat thinking? And when it crashed down to $64,000, did you find yourself in Bitcoin thinking or fiat thinking? So as a quick recap, fiat thinking is where you see Bitcoin in terms of the things that it will buy you, and therefore when the price goes up, you feel great, and you immediately start searching for news to find out why the price went up. And if you did search, you would have found out that the US announced 6.2% inflation. Big surprise from all the money printing, literally doubled the money supply over the last few years, and the level of indebtedness. Inflation is the concept of two phenomena from my perspective. One, the excessive, the level of supply, too much money chasing too few goods, economics 101. And secondly, the amount of interest being factored into prices because money is created by debt in the world's largest regulated Ponzi scheme called fiat currencies. Did you go into Bitcoin and fiat thinking? So yesterday was the perfect time to take that emotion. As the price goes up, you probably felt really good, and you started getting concerned about whether you should be selling, whether this is the top, and started fearing and feeling the emotion of what happens if we get one of those ginormous corrections in prices. And that is because you're still thinking in terms of fiat. Bitcoin thinking is about enjoying the crashes, getting ready for the bear markets, because they allow you to have accumulation phase when you're focused on accumulating more Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has been in a long-term 12-year bull market that has always rewarded the saver and crushed the trader. So I hope that you got that experiment and really be honest with yourself. What I would love for you to do right now is put down and be honest with me in the comments, and I'll read them all, how you felt when the price of Bitcoin pumped up on the news of inflation to approximately $69,000, and then how you felt when it suddenly crashed down to $64,000. Did anyone immediately try and sell, try and call the top, try and call the bottom? Did anyone get crushed in that? Did anyone do well? I'd love to just see in the comments, and if anyone's being honest, tell me how you felt. Because I've been involved in Bitcoin for over a decade, I've trained my brain into Bitcoin thinking rather than fiat thinking. The reptilian part of the brain will always drive towards fiat thinking and thinking in terms of dollar wealth or pound wealth or euro wealth or Canadian dollar wealth or Japanese yen wealth or whatever you're pricing in your mind. Because our mind is used to the things that you can spend as opposed to what the pros do, which is looking for, professional fund managers. They just simply, dollar cost average in because they get in a contribution, and they don't focus on short-term prices. They may pay a trader to try and get them into a position on the long term, but I want you to put in the comments your thoughts around fiat thinking and Bitcoin thinking. Secondly, I hope you enjoyed the live broadcast last night. We played all out. Comments were incredible. Return to that. We got the recording on there. We had a little technical glitch in the middle, so we lost half an hour. We'll try and put a new edited version where we lose the technical glitch, but if you're watching the recording, you can just simply push through the glitch in the middle. But we played all out. We went through the 7 reasons why people don't buy Bitcoin so that you can understand all the key reasons why people avoid it. We went through 5,000 years of monetary history in a compact period of time to give you everything that you need to know. What else did we do? We went through fiat thinking versus Bitcoin thinking, and we went through, answered as many questions as you can, and we're going live again all this week. So Friday is the next session at 5 p.m. and we're going to be focusing on the biggest mistakes of the wealthiest investors and some of the highest profile Bitcoin figures and what you can learn from them, and also going through crypto taxes and how to think about that so that you can put together a plan for the years ahead in being involved in the highest performing asset class in history. Past performance is no indicator of future returns. Can't give you financial advice, not your financial advisor, not your tax advisor, not your legal advisor, but I can share with you the things that I'm doing. And so if you are not already a subscriber to the YouTube channel, check it out. But I would love to read your comments on how you felt when the price pumped up to 69,000 on the muse of inflation, or just around there, and then pumped back down to 64,000 and dumped back down to 64,000. And remember, look back, here's what happens next. So please look at the previous videos, and I hope to see you in the next live masterclass. I've completed my workout, so I'm going to get ready and get everything ready for Friday. So always remember, you are alive at one of the most interesting and exciting times in financial history. Some people are going to get hurt, some people are going to do really well, and I want to make sure you are in the right side of that change. So like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the live masterclass. Peace.